Hi guys, welcome to another video. Just going to be a real quick one. I had a new delivery of cars, so I thought I'd quickly show you what is soon to be coming up to be opened on the channel. So first off, another team transport for the collection, Nissan Skyline. Then we have Nissan Fairlady Z, the Fast and Furious Rewind collection. Then we have a Nissan Skyline from the Japan Historics Free collection. Really cool, can't wait to get this one opened. Another Fast and Furious one from the Fast Tuners series, Subaru WRX. And a Forza Motorsport 2017 Ford Raptor F-150. Pandem Subaru BRZ from the Street Tuners Car Culture set. Another one I'm quite excited to get opened. Another Japan Historics Free, the Honda City Turbo. I'm trying to get the whole set of these, so I don't know whether to wait and do a whole set video or open them individually, but quite excited to get this one opened as well. Quite a cool looking little car. And last but not least, a complete set of Japan Historics 2. So we have the Nissan Laurel 2000. It's the full set there on the back. Mazda RX-3. Skyline. Another cool looking car. Datsun. Actually, a few more cars in there, I completely forgot. Fairlady Z. And then we have an RX-7 Fast and Furious, and two Fast 2 Furious from the Tuner series. Mercury Comet, the Drag Strip collection, Drag Strip Demons. Another cool looking one. Not seen many of them about, so it'd be cool to get this one opened. And then last but not least, the Nissan Skyline from the Rewind collection. So yeah, just a quick video of a few things that are coming up on the channel to look forward to. Definitely excited to get that Japan Historics 2 set opened. And yeah, see you on the next video.